Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Let's wait for others to join. Till then,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Take out your social studies copies till then.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shobit.
Ma'am, today we will do book. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, beta. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Very nice. Very good. Good morning, children. Good morning. All of you be ready with your social studies copies. Till where have we done?
Ma'am, we have done key points. Ma'am, key points.
We have done the key points. Okay. All of you have completed the key points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why so less students have joined? Then they'll come later and they'll ask, ma'am, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 2 days ago, ma'am, I can't join your link because, ma'am, it is not taking the passcode.
Why? Why wasn't it taking the password?
Ma'am, I am also writing in capital letter SRI, but it is not taking.
Okay. There must be some problem. Okay, now children are joining. Slowly they're joining. Okay, what we'll do today is, today we are going to discuss the fill in the blanks, the exercises that are given. Okay, take out exercise A, fill in the blank. Summer, read out the first sentence.
The domain where,
Yeah.
where human beings live in called
The domain where human beings live is called what? Is called the, which is that domain where human beings live? Tell me.
Ma'am, biosphere. Ma'am, lithos. Biosphere. Biosphere.
Okay, all of you, first of all, everybody open your cameras. Open your camera. Naman, Shaurya, Bhavya, Shobit, Kunal, Daksh, Samarth, Rasya. Which is that domain where human beings live? How many hands for biosphere? How many will say it's biosphere? Let me count. 1, 2, 3.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you ask the question again?
The domain on which human beings live. What is that domain called?
First exercise of the book.
Ma'am, what is the first answer of tick the correct option?
That is what we are discussing, beta. We are discussing that only. Okay, how many of you say biosphere? How many hands for biosphere?
Ma'am, I biosphere.
Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 Yatharth. Anybody else for biosphere? Okay, 11 hands. Now, how many say it is lithosphere where human beings live? How many hands for lithosphere? 1. Yashmit, how can you have your hands for both? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Summer.
I was a little. So, ma'am, I tell biosphere.
Okay, 12 hands for biosphere and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, excuse me,
5.
ma'am. I asked Agarwal biosphere.
Okay, 13 for biosphere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for lithosphere.
Biosphere.
Any other hand for lithosphere? No other hand. Okay. The correct answer is lithosphere. So all those who say lithosphere, you are correct. Now, children, see, just listen and try to understand the question. Name the domain where human beings live. Do human beings live in the air? Human beings, have you seen living on the air? Do human beings live in the water? They only live on land. And land comes under which domain? Lithosphere. Okay, biosphere is a domain where life exists, whether it is aquatic animals or it is birds or any other thing. Biosphere includes everything where life exists, but human beings only live on the land. So the answer is lithosphere. Next, Bhavya, read out the second fill in the blank.
Ma'am, the second fill in the blanks. Ma'am, please wait a minute for.
Okay, till then, Jaskaran, read out the second fill in the blank, beta.
I have opened. The domain where the water cycle takes place is called the dash. Atmosphere. On lithosphere.
What is it?
Crust.
Water cycle takes place on crust.
Hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
It is the hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere. Bhavya, now read out the third fill in the blank.
Dash and dash are two water bodies for founding in hydrosphere.
Okay, what is the answer?
Oceans and sea.
Yes, you can name any two water bodies that are found in the environment, in the hydrosphere. Yes.
Hydrosphere has every water body. Every single water body.
Ma'am, Bhavya is reading the B exercise. We are on the A1.
Oh,
Ma'am.
Bhavya. A exercise, third part. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Varshita, read.
Ma'am, what is the third one? Second one.
Wait. Varshita, read.
Second one.
Ma'am, what is the second one of fill in the blanks with correct answer?
It is.
When
What was the sentence? Tell me.
Ma'am, I have not done. Please tell me what we are doing.
We are doing
Hydrosphere.
exercises of 5th chapter. We are doing exercises of 5th chapter. Yes.
What is the answer of the domain where the water cycle takes place?
It is
called the-
hydrosphere. Beta, it is hydrosphere. It takes
Okay,
place.
thank you.
Tell me the answer.
I'm reading the third one.
Yes,
When
read.
living
Ma'am, please tell me the
Beta, I
answer.
will share screen with you right now. Now you have joined the class late, so just wait. Don't don't break the rhythm of the whole class. Either be on time or just try to be patient. Now I'll share screen with you, then you can see the answers. Yes.
when living things and non-living things live as a same unit is called an ecosystem.
It is called an ecosystem.
Ma'am, may I tell last?
Yes, Raina, read out the fourth one.
The innermost layer of the earth is the core.
Very good. The innermost layer is called the core. Okay, this exercise is clear to all of you. Exercise A is clear.
Yes,
ma'am.
Now, let's come on to the B exercise quickly. Yes, Mokshit Mishra, read out the first one.
What is the answer of third and fourth?
The answer of third and fourth is, what is third and fourth? Read out.
ma'am. Third
Shobit,
one
are you
is when
sleeping,
living-
beta? Are you sleeping? Huh? when reading is going on, everybody is discussing. What were you doing? You joined the class on time. Then what happened? Yes, tell the answer of third and fourth.
Okay, ma'am. Third one is ecosystem and fourth one is core.
Fine. Next. Now B exercise. Mokshit Mishra, read out the first sentence.
A stable and dash.
I can't understand what you're reading. What are you reading?
I cannot hear.
Can anybody understand what he's reading?
Ma'am, the voice is very slow, so we cannot hear.
Arav, read out the first sentence bit of the second exercise.
Ma'am, may I read first fill in the blank?
Yes,
The
read.
layer that lies below the ocean beds and continents is the dash.
Mantle.
It's called the mantle. Very good. It is the mantle. Next. Next, who will read Shaurya Tyagi?
Okay, ma'am. Molten rocks and minerals are found in dash.
Okay, where are they found? Molten rocks and minerals are found in
Lithosphere.
lithosphere. Very good. It is found in the lithosphere.
Lithosphere.
Yes. Then next.
What?
Lithosphere, beta, lithosphere. Dash and dash are two water bodies found in the hydrosphere. You can name any two water bodies. Which one are you going to answer?
I am saying only that only this fill in the blanks.
Beta, lithosphere, molten, everybody be quiet. Everybody be quiet. Molten rocks and minerals are found in the lithosphere.
Ma'am, may I tell second?
Children, that is why I feel like muting this class. You people just don't maintain the decorum. The answer of the first is mantle. The second is lithosphere. Third is you can name any two water bodies. Ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, aquifers, anything. Then coming on to the fourth one, Rasya. Rasya Agarwal, read out the fourth fill in the blank of B exercise. Okay, Rasya is not there, I believe. Amoli Gupta, read out the fourth one. Amoli doesn't know where we are, doesn't know what we are doing. Huh? Yatharth, read out the fourth one.
Okay, ma'am. The dash protects the earth from the sun's harmful rays. Ma'am, atmosphere.
What is the answer, Yatharth? Atmosphere. The atmosphere protects the earth from the sun's harmful rays. Now, everybody, I'm sharing screen with you. You have to do exercise A and B in your copies. This is exercise A after key points. Right after the key points, we have these exercises. Yes.
I have already done B exercise, so I no need to do the exercises. So that I to do.
Ma'am, we have to do this in, ma'am.
Children, now I will not answer. I will mute myself and I will not answer your stupid questions.
Ma'am, please tell fourth fill in the blank.
Of A exercise or B?
Ma'am, B.
What is, read out the sentence.
The dash protects the earth from the sun's harmful rays.
Atmosphere. Beta, it's atmosphere.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we write fill in the blanks and tick the correct option in our notebook.
Yes, I have shared the screen with all of you. You can see the screen and start doing exercise A in your copies.
Ma'am, but there is one exercise left in book.
We will discuss it, beta. Don't worry, we are going to discuss it.
Ma'am, yesterday were you ill?
Yes, beta, I had some work. That's why I was on leave. I had to go for my vaccination.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am has told us.
Okay.
are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm perfectly fine
Ma'am,
today.
ma'am also told us.
No, Payal.
Ma'am,
Payal ma'am
Sangeeta
also-
ma'am told us about you and Payal ma'am.
Okay, that they got their vaccinations done. We got our vaccinations done. She told that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What is done for the second one of the B question?
Read it out.
Molten rocks and minerals are found in the
Lithosphere. Molten rocks.
Ma'am, we have to learn it in book.
No, you have to do it in. You have to do it in your copies, in your notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Ma'am, we
beta,
have to do tick the correct option also
yes,
in copy.
but you have to do it, but in the form that I have done. We have to do it in the form of fill in the blank. Okay, not like tick the correct option. Just do it as fill in the blank.
Okay, ma'am. Already done B exercise, so I have to do.
Where have you done B exercise? Where have you done? You have done it in your copy? Bhavya, have you done it in your copy?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, in the fourth one, what is written after the?
The innermost layer of the earth is the core.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, in the fourth one, we should write same like innermost. This is the same word.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to do B exercise in copy also.
Yes, beta. Now I'm changing the screen. Everybody will do exercise B also in the copy. All of you have done this A exercise?
Ma'am, I am doing. Please wait.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I am on fourth one, last one of exercise.
Okay, okay, do it. Beta, I will send it to you later. After the class gets over, I will send you on the D group. Don't worry.
Thanks, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, I am on I am on last one. Ma'am, please change the page.
Just 1 minute, beta, then I'll change the page. Let everybody write.
Ma'am, then just mention the name.
What?
Ma'am, I have done. Please share the next screen.
Beta, so many students are here. I have to see all of them. I can't just see a single student and change the screen. Just wait for 1 more minute.
Ma'am, I have done Akshita.
Ma'am, I am on fourth one.
See, still somebody is on the fourth one.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, children, now I'm changing the screen. Can I change it now? Done, all of you?
No, ma'am.
No, still so many no's.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Summer, you're going too slow.
Ma'am, I have done it. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Better there is nothing below this. Scroll down. Where do you want to go?
Ma'am, I have almost done.
Okay. Now those who have not done, please leave 2 or 3 lines. Whatever, how much is left, leave accordingly. I'm going to change the screen now.
Ma'am,
Your
we are
best.
doing.
Yes, now you have better see now. I can't wait for very long because there are students. So many students have done it also. That means you're going too slow.
Ma'am, I have took screenshot.
I have taken the screenshot. I have took wrong. I have taken.
Okay, ma'am, I have taken the screenshot.
Good.
Please.
Ma'am, this is also in the book.
And please send up a screen in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, please share that screen.
Now, beta, I'm sharing that work on your class group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody check that screen has come. Exercise A is on the class group. Now exercise B is also on the class group.
Ma'am, I have done Kana B exercise also.
Very good, Kanav. So quick, huh? Now keep sitting silently in the class.
Ma'am, please show me fourth one. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done all. Ma'am, I also
Very
done.
nice, very nice. Beta,
Ma'am.
now let everybody do. Yes. What, ma'am?
Can you zoom in the screen?
Zoom the screen. Okay, take.
Ma'am, I am seeing in third one. Can we write a sea and lake?
Yes, beta, you can write any water body. Don't worry.
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Now see, sometimes scroll up, sometimes scroll down, sometimes zoom the screen. Everybody take a screenshot in your phones. All of you take a screenshot. And then you zoom and scroll up and scroll down according to your convenience.
Ma'am, I always take a screenshot.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done so much thing.
Very good, beta.
I have done Bhavya. I have done the both exercises. And can I send your WhatsApp group?
Beta, you don't have to send the work anywhere. If you have done, just sit down. Let everybody do. Underline it. See how I have highlighted it, underlined it, using different colors. All of you.
have underlined.
Yes, very nice. Use different colors and decorate your work.
Ma'am, Taneja.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please send the book exercise?
Which book exercise?
Ma'am, fill in the blanks A and B.
Beta, I have already sent it on the class group. Check your class group.
Ma'am, of the book.
Okay, no, beta, I also don't have the book. I asked for the PDF from all of you because I don't have the book. That is why I have written everything in the copy. Okay, any student can send it. Any student can share it with you. Who will share it on the class group, beta? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I Shaurya?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I will share.
Yes, Shore will send it. Now everybody don't start sending. Only I have asked Shore to send.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I share the first one?
Beta, it's done. I have told it to Shore. Now it's done.
Ma'am, one exercise in book has is also like
Ma'am, I
All of you have done this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let us discuss the next
No,
exercise.
ma'am.
How many are still doing this one?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, fine. I'll wait for 1 more minute.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Children, all of you have done it?
Ma'am, no.
No?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You again want me to share the screen? You want me to share the screen with you again? Yes.
Ma'am, please just send the screenshot. Ma'am, can you send the screenshot?
Screenshot of what, beta? I have already sent it on the class group. See, I have already sent it there. Okay, now I'll share the next exercise with all of you. What is the next
Ma'am,
exercise?
please.
Let's just hurry up and discuss it.
Ma'am, it is not coming.
Beta, I have not
Please.
shared. God, Bhavya, why don't you understand? I have only shared exercise A and B. Is that clear?
So, ma'am, so I am seeing about the next of A and B exercise.
Children, can you see A and B exercise on the class group?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, it is there on the class group, Bhavya. What is wrong?
Ma'am, I am saying that the screen which you have shared now, that exercise.
Why will I share that with you? Just wait. That is answer in detail. Can we straight away come to answer in detail? Don't tell me, Bhavya, what I have to do. Now, children, let's go on to the next exercise. Okay, all of you have done exercise B.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes, Varshita.
Ma'am, please check the chat box.
Yes, beta. Yes, you can do that. Okay. Now, children, sharing the screen for the next exercise.
Class is over.
1 minute is left, ma'am.
Ma'am, the class.
Okay, 1 minute is left. I'm stopping this share. I will
I'm
stop
letting
this
1
share
minute.
right now. Listen to me. Listen to me. What you will do is you will try to do C exercise on your own. Okay? There are only 4 points and I hope you will be able to do it. I will share the screen with you in the next class. Till now, what